In this video, I will show you how to make a barbershop website on Wix. So let's get started. So this is my Wix. If you don't have a Wix, then all you have to do is go to Wix sign up. You have to create a Wix account. Basically, you can sign up using your Google account or email and password. So tap on the sign up for free Wix account. And then this is what it looks like. So go to Wix.com, sign up for page. But since I have my Wix account already, so this is what it looks like. Here are my sites. And basically, if you want to edit a site, if you have created a site already, all you have to do is tap on select and edit site. Since we will be creating a barbershop website using Wix, what you're going to do here is you have to tap on create new site. And then you will see two options. So here you will see this create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. If you want advanced features, tap on try Wix Studio. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to tap on create on Wix editor. Now you will see two options here, start chat or setup without chat. So if you want to start chat, you will ask a help from AI. But as a beginner, again, I strongly suggest to tap on the second option, which is setup without chat. So as you can see, what type of website do you want to create? So since we will be creating a barbershop, then you can type here barbershop. So I type barber. So there are tons of options right here, but we'll be looking for barbershop. So you have to type barbershop to be very specific with your website. So here it is, barbershop. Tap this one. Once done, tap on continue. So it will ask the name of your barbershop. So what's the name of your business? So the name of your business is, or my business is, the trim room. Everything is up to you. What's your business address? You can add it right here, but you can also do that later. So I have added the address right here. Once done, tap on continue. So here you can set your default working hours. This is when you and your staff will be available for booking. So let's just say you don't want to be available every Sunday and Saturday. So you can just set your default working hours every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from, let's just say from 6 a.m. to, let's just say 9 p.m. Okay, so you can change the time zone. You can change this to whatever time you want and then tap on continue. Now you can start adding services here. So for example, for your barber shop, you offer services for cut and trim for kids, aka skin fade and style. You offer haircut for men and women, yes. And then get pedicure. Everything is up to you. Advanced nail design, okay, meaning facial, classic haircut, get made up. So everything is up to you. You can just basically select your services here. You can also create new service if you want. So just tap this one and then add the name, service type, is it appointment, paid session, or whatever. So we're going to change if you want to edit this. Tap this one right here, free session if you want. So everything is up to your appointment, class, course. You can change that. And then after, tap on continue and then add staff members right here. So in order for you to add them, all you have to do is, so you will add the name right here and then the email address, add new staff and add new staff. So I will be adding their names and email address. So here I have added my staff, okay, and their email address, but this one is optional. So once done, you can tap on continue. So what else do you want to do with your business? You do accept online payments, yes. Accept in-person payments, yes. Set automated emails and SMS reminders. You can skip that part. Manage your services and bookings on the go. Sell digital and physical products, yes. Okay, so after that, you can tap on continue. Now you have added all of this, so you can continue to dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard. So let me tell you that this is like an independent dashboard. So whatever you set up here, it will not affect your other sites. So it's like independent. So whatever you add here, like the payment method, like the sales catalog, it will not affect or it will not be added to other sites. So it will just be for this site. So this is what it looks like. And then you need to set up here first. If you have your domain, you need to add your domain right here. Make this recommended domain yours or search for an available one so you can buy one if you want. After that, you can set your working hours, set up your payment methods, design your website, get found in Google, and then add an online store to your website. Okay, so let's just do the following here. But before that, if you tap this one right here, if you want a specific setup for your getting paid, you can just go and then set up pay links if you want to create a link for a direct payment, invoices, price codes, proposals, POS checkout. If you want to add calendar or booking list, if you want to set up work schedule and see booking analytics. So you can go to booking calendar to add appointment to block time. You can just go to this section right here, sales. If you want to create orders and create gift card sales for your loyal customers, payments and finances, if you want to see all payments, and also check sales overview. Application, if you want to add applications from Wix Market, just go to this part right here. So if you want to proceed with the website and SEO so that your site will be found automatically on sites, then you just have to adjust everything here, set up your SEO and also your domain. Okay, and then check your messages, customers and needs. If you want to add contact forms and submissions, build a community, create loyalty program, and then add business email marketing. You can set up here Google Ads and so on. Analytics, if you want to see or look any improvement and just if you want to see the flow of your website and your business, just go to this marketing section. Also for analytics, and if you want to automate your website, just go to automations. Okay, so let's move on to set your working hours. Tap this one. So since we have set up our hours earlier, you can just edit this and then set different hours for each day if you want. Okay. Now, once you're done with this, once adding hours here on your Wix website, you can now set up payments. Tap this one. So this accept payment section, sometimes it depends on your location. So if your business location is in Hong Kong, then Hong Kong country accepts the following like Stripe. You can connect your bank like Visa, American Express, Visa, and other bank right here. You can connect it to your Stripe and accept payment here on Wix. And for me, I think the easiest way to accept payments from your customers is of course through PayPal. So all you have to do is connect your PayPal right here, your email address, of course. And don't worry, Wix is a safe platform, so no need to worry about that. Manual payments. So if you tap this one right here, you can select one of the following payments here, like cash payment. You just have to add instruction here. Offline payment, just add instructions here. Cash on delivery, just add instructions here. So that's how you basically add or accept payments here on your Wix. So once you're done with the accept payments, again, let's go back to setup. So once you're done with this, set up your work, your payment method. Before we proceed with design your website, we can go to this Get Started Google. All you have to do is tap on Get Started. Tap this one right here. Now you have to follow the instructions. So you can tap on Start Now. And then what you're going to do here. So basically, you just need to follow some instructions. Okay, it includes also connect your domain and then the SEO. If you want to be found on Google, you have to add a domain here on your Wix. Add an online store to your website. Tap this Add Wix Stores. And all you have to do is tap on Add the Site. And then design site or maybe later. Just tap on the second one right here and let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so the last here is design your website. Let's design our barbershop website. Tap this one. So how would you like to design your website? You can pick a template or you can generate the design with AI. But as a beginner, I strongly suggest to pick a template from the Wix gallery or a library. Tap this one. Here are the sample barbershop templates, and all you have to do is to pick one. You can view before you edit, and here are the best match. So basically, you can choose from any of the template here. So let's just say I wanted to use this one. I'm going to tap on, okay, maybe this one, tap on edit. And here you can enhance your content by adding some details. You can change the type of site or change the name of the site. But but once everything is okay, then tap on the X right here. So this is your website and here is your site. So you can just basically do a quick edit here, change the name. On the left side, you can see your add elements. If you want to add elements such as image, button, strip, decorative, gallery, contact forms, you can just basically go here and then look at the type. And then here, if you want to add section, for example, if you want to add a or another section, you just have to click this one right here. Then you will have your choices, such as welcome, about team, contact, promotion services, and so on. Okay, here on pages and menu, you can just basically rearrange everything here. Okay, this is your header. You can see it on your header, and if you want to add it, just tap this three dots right here. If you want to add another menu, just click this one. For sites and site design, you can just click this one and then change your color theme, text theme, page background. Everything is up to you. This is Wix App Market. If you want to add market from Wix, for example, like Stripe for payment method, you can just basically go to Wix App Market and then install that application. So just search your application here, whatever application you want to add. And then here, if you want to add or set up your business, so for example, if you want to set up your Wix store, your Wix bookings, all you have to do is go here, add your first product if you're selling product, and so on. Okay, and then here, if you want to add your social media accounts and platforms, if you want to connect it to your Wix, then all you have to do is go to the site, and then you can also upload medias right here and also video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then for CMS. If you want to use a CMS, just add it to your site. So basically, all you have to do is to edit everything here, the name and also the picture. So edit text. You can change the heading here. Let's just say what you're going to add is that, for example, change this to, okay, I changed this to the trim room. Change this to the trim room. Going to change this one. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to add here description. Okay, I have added it right here and I'm going to change the picture or the background. All you have to do is tap on change background. You can change it from their gallery or you can import this. Import the image from your computer. Tap this one. Upload media. Upload from computer. Okay, change background. And here it is. To add images or element, you just have to tap this one right here. And then basically add a section. Tap on add elements. Let's just say you want to add gallery. Tap this one. You have option if you want a read or a slider. So for example, I want to select pro galleries. Tap this one or just drag. Okay, I'll choose slider. This is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to click each and then upload the picture. Okay, tap this and then tap on change image. Tap this one. Now add image, upload. Okay, I'm going to tap on add to gallery. And then I'm going to replace each of the image right here. So once done, then all you have to do is click this and here we show it right here. Okay, and then to add a section, just tap this one right here. Let's just say a contact form. Tap this one, look for the specific layout. For example, you want this contact form right. So I want to choose this one. I just drag it right here. And this is what it looks like. You can change the name, your site, your phone number. You can also add your social media account right here. This is what your client can see. And then all they have to do is to add their details and then send. You can now preview your website before you publish. Tap this one. And here it is. So you can publish or you can back to editor. But basically, this is how you create a barbershop website here on Wix. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.